Here I'm going to explain some problem that might occur after you export the MyEdm Excel to the CSV file. Yeah. For example, I'm going to export this Mitsubishi Expert 2. Let's go file, export, save as, and the name you must put same name as the sheet name. Okay, if Mitsubishi, you put Mitsubishi. If Makino, you put Makino. Save as CSV. Save. Okay. Yes. And as you can see here, we have only a few columns, but after I export to the CSV, if I open this file with the with a notepad or notepad plus, let me open this file. Let's close this and open this, and you can see where we might have problem. Look, you can see a very long comma at the back. That means you have a lot of columns is exported. This is empty. Okay, this all here is empty. So if you go to post, you might have problems, might have errors. So how to remove this empty column while exporting? You just let's go back to the Excel. Let's open up Excel again. Let's open up this Excel again. Okay, to solve this empty column, go back to this page. You need to make sure you delete, right? Just select this, highlight this column, Control Shift plus right arrow, and then make sure you delete. Okay, delete the data. And so just in case for the bottom, for the row, Control Shift down arrow, delete. Okay, so after delete, save the Excel file, and then I'm going to export the CSV again. I'm going to overwrite back this Mitsubishi CSV. Okay, and let's go back to the notepad. Reload, yes. You can see now after I delete the empty column, now the comma becomes shortened. Okay, so remember, if you face problem while posting, when you post a problem, you have problem, it might be this CSV problems. Yeah. So this is the way to fix it.